Hello everyone, in this simple video I will show you how to hide taskbar in Windows 10. So here is I am on my desktop. Now what you need to do is go and right click on your desktop. Now you need to click on taskbar settings. So it will open the settings for the taskbar. Now one of the options that you can see, the second option, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Okay, then there is another option, automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to simply turn on the second option, that is automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Now you can see that the taskbar is hidden. Now whenever you take your mouse or you hover your mouse towards the bottom of the screen, then it will come up. Okay, just like this. So you can simply turn it off or turn it on using the taskbar settings. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.